Very good morning, friends. Let's start with the session today. And as I said, we'll start with the rituals. So close your eyes, fold your hands. Let's start with the ritual. First ritual, gratitude. As I said, gratitude is the seed of our life. So gratitude leads to love, knowledge, anything if you want to manifest in the life. The root or the seed of that is gratitude. So be thankful to your body, to the people around you, to the nature, to the Almighty God. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, my dear parents, for giving me a beautiful life. Thank you for nurturing me. Thank you for showering all the love and care on me. Thank you. Thank you, my daughter, for playing with me, making the energy of this house vibrant. See it, feel it, how you are playing with a daughter. Whenever you say the gratitude, you have to feel. Emotions are very, very important in that. Thank you. Thank you, Mother Nature Earth. Thank you to the birds. Every day morning, I see the birds' voice. That is so beautiful. Thank you. Thank you to the plants for giving us fruits, flowers. Thank you. Thank you, dear God, for everything on this earth. Thank you for sending us in earth. Thank you. You can thankful to everything, everything. Every day morning, the first thing you should do is the Kar Darshan and the thank you. Most powerful way, most powerful way. Now we'll go to the second stage, affirmations. It has to be in the present continuous tense. I'm living a healthy and happy life. I'm enjoying every moment of my life. Thank you. So today's knowledge session is on the very, very important topic, and that is very, very important topic, and that is health. In the health, we are going to talk about the weight gain, weight loss. Nowadays, people have a lot of things called as weight loss, weight gain, weight loss, weight gain. Those who are having the overweight, they want to lose it. Those who have the less weight, they have to gain it. So many issues are going on. For example, if you see the people having the RA or maybe some diabetes or some people are having very weight is less around 40 kg, 45 kg, and they are struggling, sir, I want to increase the weight. And some people are there who are having 100, 105, 110, and they are asking for the weight loss. So please try to understand the fundamental. Weight is the output. It has nothing to do with the input part, right? So don't try to actually focus on the weight. Try to focus on the health. Now, how to check that you are healthy? You can get up early in the morning, whenever you want. Okay, whenever you want to sleep, you can sleep easily. When you get up in the morning, the after getting up, immediately you have to go to the motion. Okay, within 5 minutes, I get up and I have to go to the loo. Okay, immediately. There has to be a urine, there has to be a stool passing, right? You should not wait for a longer time to make pani piyunga, then I will go for a washroom. No. This indicates you are healthy. Very, very important. Your motion, your intestine has to be cleaned. Okay. So all the other symptoms, you should be able to stand up, you should be able to walk. Okay. And there should be a pain-free, all the joints and everything. There should not be a lot of pain. So all this stuff leads to you should understand that I'm healthy. You can do the physical exercises, stretching. Now, if I say 100 times do this, right? One should be able to do it 100 times. So that is very, very essential. Okay. So there should not be any much pain. Okay. So one should be able to do it. That is very, very essential. So that is the fitness, that is the health. Don't relate much with the weight. So weight is the output. But again, weight has to be taken care of. So once you do the changes in your habits, then you can easily see that there is a change in the weight. So those who are very obese people, obese means they are having a problem of diabetes, all that stuff. So what they can do, very simple things, just find out, reflect back what habits you had when you started gaining weight. Just reflect back. One should have a journal, what you are eating and how you are feeling. So that is very, very important. One should have that. So that will help a lot. So as I said, the most important thing is weight is a byproduct or output. Don't focus much on that. Let it increase or decrease. Your fitness is very, very important. A person having 50 kg weight may be sick. A person having 100 kg may be fit also. So vice versa it can be. So food habits, very, very important food habits. Today I'll talk about one very, very important element. It is called as salt. Try to understand the science of salt, how it works. Have you ever seen any animal or bird feeding on the salt? Just reply in the chat box. Just take some salt and take a bowl and put it in the ground. Can you see the birds or animals coming to that salt and eating it? Okay. Any one of you. Let's just put in the reply box if you think you have seen salt as a food for any of the animal or this. Never, not at all. So what we human beings does, we have got a very habit of putting salt in everything. Let's say some people keep asking me sprouts, putting salt. Now what happens? When you put salt externally, okay, cells start shrinking. They lose water. They lose their sap. And as a result, what happens? The pressure in the turgidity pressure in the cell increases to a very high extent. And therefore, it is very, very advisable. People take curd and add a lot of salt to that. What happens to the bacteria? You are taking curd for what? For bacteria, good bacteria. And what is happening? You are putting a lot of salt to that. Think. I'm not saying what you should do, what you should not do. I'm not here to teach or say anything. I'm just trying to help you all to become aware and conscious. I'm just trying to help you all to become aware and conscious because I believe that there is no guru. Okay. From everyone you can take some element, but your food, your body, the mother nature is the best guru. You can learn 24/7 from them. You can download a lot of knowledge from them. A real guru transforms you by just being present there. A real guru transforms just by being present there. And that's why in the long, many other people say na ghar mein mujhe murti rakhni hai, mandir banana hai. What they are doing actually? They are trying to put that idol or the guru in their home so that the cosmic connects to that idol, that murti, and starts vibrating in the home. That is the purpose. It's called as yantra. Okay, it is called as the memory. Any murti you take or any photo frame you take in your home and you put it, what it is doing? It is trying to connect you and give you the energy. We all are the conductors, superconductors. Okay, so one of my coach used to say, become a conductor, superconductor, zero resistivity. Okay, and when a metal becomes superconductor, when the resistivity is zero, and when the resistivity is zero, When the temperature is very, very low. What does it mean? When you stop your thoughts completely, don't think, and you surrender 100%, results comes automatically. So what I'm trying to tell you all is, don't use your brains, don't think too much. When you want to have sprouts, have sprouts. Start from a simple sprout, maybe monocots. Okay, it can be a wheat, it can be anything. Okay, it can be anything. You can have the millets, soak the millets for 3 hours, 4 hours. I'm not teaching you, again I'm telling you all, you are to learn from the nature. Just sit quietly, see in front of you, ask, feel, and start doing it. Nor you, nor me, it is all about the body and the food. Okay, no third person involved in it, no third person. So have the millets, take small millets and eat. Don't have many. Start from 10 grains of millets, 10 grains of moong. Take any one thing. So suppose you want to start with the sprouts. Okay, soak 10 moong. Okay, green moong beans. Soak it. Allow it to sprout. Okay, okay, and then have it and just chew it slowly and see the feeling. See the feeling how it looks. You want to add something? Yeah, you can add something to that. You can add one or two in more ingredients. Don't eat so many. So today you want to eat with the cucumber, eat with the cucumber. Add some cucumber to that. Okay, add some carrot to that. Okay, fine, absolutely fine. Try to avoid salt as much as possible. It is not advisable. You are killing the cells. I see there is a pH concept. pH concept. Nowadays, when I see people, the intestinal wall has been so much damaged that if they drink, yesterday I had an experiment, when you drink beetroot carrot juice, it passes from the intestine, it goes to the blood to the kidney, and it comes in the urine. I did that experiment with one person. And he said that, sir, I'm getting this color of beetroot in the urine. How it is possible? My dear friends, you never know how much you have abused your body until and unless you come to that stage. Whatever is happening, maybe the frozen shoulder, maybe the frozen neck, even if you're sitting and you're not, your fingers are paining, again it is abuse to the body. You have your problem in the body is trying to tell you something. Is trying to tell you something. Okay, you should be smart enough, aware enough to understand the signal. Body gives you the signal, right? My coach Jack Canfield always says, whose body it is? Your body. Who has to learn? You have to learn. Okay, so all these coaches, I'm not saying how the life has to be done. It is your life. You have to design the life of your dreams, because it's 100% your responsibility. Nobody can, we can only help you, or we can only give you the guideline or the skeleton, what is working for you and what is not working for you. So somebody wants to have the dry fruits, what they will do, take one dry fruit. Today you want to have munakka, kala munakka, so kala munakka, don't have many, have 3 to 4 or 5. When there is a lot of protein, take less quantity. Like if you want to take rajma, how much you will take? 5 grains, not more than that, 5 or 10 depending on the exercise, right? If you are having moong dal, soaked green moong beans, you can have 20-40 grains. It's easy to digest. So more the complex, lesser the quantity. Okay, more complex. Like if you take 20-40 almonds, soaked almonds, what will happen? If you are working so much, then have. Absolutely no problem. Okay, but if you are not in that working position, have 1 or 2, not more. Coconut is one of the safest one. Coconut you can use in different forms. You can have coconut water. Those who are really wanting to work on their intestine or the weight loss. I had lost from 110 to 75, 35 kg almost, and I was struggling a lot. struggling a lot. I was doing this diet, that diet, this diet, that diet. But when I understood, when I accepted the food, okay, and then I started seeing the transformation. So 1110 to 10, I still remember it was a long journey. I was struggling a lot, right? It was going to 109, then again 108, again 107. I used to check, abhi kabhi hoga, kabhi hoga. And one fine day, it was 101. I was 1 week consistently on 101, 100.8. And suddenly one day I changed, and within 2 3 days I saw that, oh, it has gone to 99, and that was a great victory for me. It was a victory day for me. Okay, when it came below 100, and then slowly again it came around 91 or something. Then again 1 week, 2 week passed by. Then slowly it came to 85, and then it was constant on 85 for a week or two. Because body is taking your exam, he is disciplined or not. Body will not reduce the weight or increase the weight immediately. It will become a plateau for 7 days, 8 days, or 10 days. A plateau will come. And then I was working on that, and then slowly it came to 83, 82, and it came below 80. And that is the moment when I was happy. It has come to 78, 79 now. And then again it became constant on 79, 78, 79, 78 for a long time. And then slowly it started coming down. So my question is very simple. If you have 10 years you have taken for weight gain of 40, 50 kg, you want the miracle to happen within a week or two. That's not possible. Don't. Then what will happen? You can go for liposuction, go pay very heavily, tell the doctor to remove all this, okay, all the fat from the belly, fat from the thighs. Do that. I don't say anything. People lose a lot of flesh from here. It becomes very loose. People ask me, sir, you must have loose, the skin loose will be there. No, it is not loose. See, diet is not about the fasting. Wrong concept. Diet is not about the fasting. Diet is not about starving yourself. If you start starving, what will happen? What will happen? Body will lose the signaling system. Memory loss, weakness, chakkar aana, okay, imbalance of the proteins, imbalance of the carbohydrate. A lot of things will start happening in the body. So don't, first of all, never ever do all these things alone just by reading a book or watching a YouTube channel. Not at all recommended. People, what they are doing, they are just experimenting. Let's take an example. You have an iPhone of 1 lakhs. Okay, 1 lakhs iPhone or more than 1 lakhs. You don't know how to operate it. What will you do? You will ask someone how to operate it. Why? Because if I'm not able to operate it and something happens to the phone, I will lose how much? 1 lakh rupees. Same way. Try to apply the logic. What is the value of this human body? Try to put some number. Whatever you think. Put some number in the, any value you think about the human body. Any number. Can you put some value in terms of money? Now, when you learn from many places without proper understanding, what happens? What happens? You learn from YouTube, you learn from a book, you learn from a padosi, you learn from many people, you start applying on your body, and what happens suddenly? Body pain starts, health issues starts, so many things starts. So many things starts. Everybody is trying to eat now as per his own awareness. Then why there is a suffering? Why there is so many diseases? Joint pain, heart attack, cancer. Why all this stuff? Because they are not learning it from the food and the body. These are the only two ingredients for a healthy lifestyle. Learn about the food, learn about the body, and sync them, attach them, like we say lock and key. When you have the right key and you have the lock, put it, move it, the lock opens. So what is health? Health is a right combination of kind of body, What is the nature of the body or the physical body, its own memory, and the food quality. It has to be latched together. What is suiting you? You are eating what the other person is eating. That is a wrong, total wrong thing. What is suitable for me may not be suitable for you. As I always says, one person may be having apple 2 to 3 times, okay, maybe in the Himachal or that belt, and he may be having a very good health because of that. But in the same diet plan, I give it to someone else who is in South India. You have 3 apple juices or 3 apple in the afternoon, same diet chart. What will happen? He may not be good. He may not be well. Suppose coconut chutney or coconut milk. If I tell everybody to have coconut milk, what will happen? What will happen? Some may be good, better, some may not be, because in their area there is no coconut at all. So what is the point of suggesting it? So don't do that. Don't do that. Never ever do this. Don't copy from the people. Always go to the coaches, pay them, do the energy exchange, and do it under them. I'm telling you all, please understand. It's my always belief system. I pay, I learn, I apply, and then I teach. Very simple. Same way you also can do. Pay whomever you want to. Find someone in your nearby area. Ask them, I want to lose weight. This is the problem, and I want to do this. Maybe any area of life. Health, wealth, happiness, relationship, money management. Okay, or you can reach to me also. I also can guide you. I had been trained by Jack Canfield, okay, Tony Robbins. So I had been trained by these two people and many more other people. Okay, and I have learned from the ancient secret also from many people. So I also can guide you by talking to you. It is a consultancy. It is a one-to-one. I do the hand holding. I talk to you. I do the discovery sessions. I help you to co-create. I help you to take the action. Whenever you are finding challenges, I'm there to help you out. So all these steps are there. Why I want to share with you? Because I have get the result. I had lost my weight and I'm having more energy. When my students tells me, sir, I'm surprised in this 40 years, I had never experienced that eating less gives more energy. Yeah, that is a fact. That is a fact. Eating too much will give you energy? Not necessary. Eat too much, do one experiment. Eat full stomach. All the idli, dosa, sambar, rice, chapati, rajma, chole bhature, whatever you would like to eat. Okay? Eat it one time afternoon and see how your body reacts. Just feel it. Don't go by what I say. There has to be a quantity and a proportion how it has to be. Okay, and see how it is. Not about me, not about you, not about someone else. It's between your body and your food. No third person involved. You are the right person to take the decision. Okay, so very important, friends. So again, I'm coming back to the topic: weight loss, weight gain. Don't worry much about it. Okay, you have to be healthy. You should be able to stand, you should be able to walk, you should be able to dance. Okay, weight can be managed by changing the food habits. If you are having more the foods which are having more in the protein, carbohydrates, adding more will increase the weight. Within a month time you can gain 20 kgs. Not a big challenge. Not a big challenge, but for that your body has to be ready first. Weight loss, same fundamental. 7 days, 3 to 4 kgs, very simple to do. 15 days, 8 kgs, very simple. Okay, not a big challenge, but your body should respond. That is the criteria. So I conclude the session, friends. Only 2 minutes are left. So I repeat 4 regular habits. First thing, gratitude, seed element. Okay, seed element, root element, gratitude. Second, affirmation. Third, goal book. Fourth, victory logbook. If you have skipped any wrong habit, that is a victory for you. If you are getting up every day 9 o'clock and one day you got up at 8 o'clock, that is a victory for you. You have the craving to eat too much. Every day you used to have 4 chapatis and one day you have only 3, victory for you. Start finding happiness in small things. Small things. You saved 10 rupees today, put that in the money bank, piggy bank, victory for you. Every small thing, any small moment in the forward direction is a victory for you. You are attending session 7 o'clock every day, half an hour, that is also a victory for you. You got up, you came to the session, victory for you. Victory for you. Start celebrating the life in small things. Don't wait for something big to happen. Okay, your cycle is not working, you took it to the repairing wala and did all the oiling and all, your cycle is working fine, and you took the cycle. Okay, there is a victory for you. You learned how to make jeera water. I had made the jeera water. Okay, you can make jeera water, ajwain water, ginger water. Try one thing at a time. Yesterday I tried with the jeera water. Okay, then I tried with the soft water. Try one thing at a time. Don't mix so many things. Okay, and that is a victory for you. That is a victory for you. And then I come to the food science. The knowledge sharing today we had weight loss, weight gain is a myth. The truth is your energy level and your fitness. So don't work for weight loss. Don't work for weight gain. Work for fitness. Okay, work for the vitality, work for the energy, work for the force, life force in your body. If you have to work for 24 hours, your body should not get tired. There has to be a smile on the face. And smile comes, my guru says always, Sri Sudarshanji Maharaj, he used to say always, when you start giving, your face becomes more and more shining, lightning. Smile comes on the face. And giving power comes only by sharing with the people. If you don't have, you cannot give. So find out what you have and start giving. And for that, gratitude is required. Very, very important. So let's conclude the session today. And what is the homework for today, task for today? You have to find out what is working good for you, what is syncing with your body in a better way. Okay, reflect back, make a list of 10 things that these food items are adding energy to my body, and these ingredients or these food, when I have, they drain the energy. Make a journal, make a note of it. Okay, friends. So thank you so much. If any question, feel free to ask. One question was asked, Sangeeta, was Kar Darshan. Morning when you get up, okay. So just slowly rub this way and put it on the eyes. Make it little warm. Just massage it simply. Okay, and then see this way. This is called as Kar Darshana. Very simple. So many ways are there, but you can start at least. That is the way of thanking the nature. When you are getting up in the morning, you should be thankful to the nature. For what reason? You are alive. What else you want to celebrate? You are alive. Many people sleep and they are not able to get up also. The family members are telling me, Papa, utto, Mummy, utto, and all that stuff. You are alive. That is a celebration for you. Okay. Okay. So that is a big, I don't know. How many of you are happy about it? Today morning, you are alive, I'm alive, we are talking to each other. If you are happy, type happy. If you are happy, type happy in the chat box. If you're not happy, I don't know, I should not comment on that. But if you are alive, I think every day morning when I get up, I'm alive, I'm so happy about it, right? So learn to celebrate each and every moment. Yeah. So happy, happy, happy. Yeah, happy. You're alive, Baba. You are alive. Rajiv always says, Rajiv Talreja always says, he says that, what he says? He says that be soft to yourself, be gentle with yourself. Don't be hard on yourself because you require this body. You require this body for everything, to eat, drink, feel, jog, relationship. For every moment of life, you require this body. And therefore, be happy. I always used to say to people, do a mirror work. Go to the mirror, see in the mirror, and put your hand on the heart and say, by seeing in the eyes, I love you. I really, really love you. I'm in deep love with you. I love you. Say like this, na? Say like this to yourself, huh? Don't go on the road and see a girl and tell her I love you. She will slap them. I'm not telling you to do that experiment. Okay? My experiment is go to the mirror, okay? See in the mirror, tell yourself, okay? Write in the notebook also if you want. I love you. I really, really love you. Okay, that's all, friends. Thank you so much. Pranam. See you all next class.